Hey, so today on Tuesday's tip, hey, we got a guest. What's your name?
Caden McNair.
Hey, so we got a guest today, Caden McNair, the future of Real Turf Solutions right here, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe if he passes middle school, maybe not. We'll see. So, hey, we want to talk to you today about Tuesday tip. Today, it's kind of entertaining. Last week, we had some cold temperatures. This week, today's Tuesday, and the sun's shining, and it's about 60 degrees out there. Had a couple meetings today with clients, and they said, I thought it was wintertime. So just want to go over a couple things with you as we go into this time of the year. So as we go into these unpredictable times of the year with the weather, tomorrow it's going to be raining all day, different things. So we wanted to talk to you about a couple of different things. Keep in mind while you're out there and you're looking in your yard, remember we discussed this a couple weeks ago on a Tuesday tip, but fungus. Fungus is this time of the year. It'll give us a hard time. It'll start showing up. It won't quite be there, that sort of thing. So we want to make sure that we're paying attention to that fungus. A lot of times people want to come in, they want to start irrigating their yard and start running that irrigation system. Just word-wise, hold off a little bit longer on that. We don't want to get out there and start adding water to that grass quite yet, and it's still raining at least once a week. So let's hold off on that. Also, don't get too quick on the fertilizers. A lot of times this time of the year, people will start saying, oh, it's warm days, the sun's shining, it's getting hot, let's go ahead and start fertilizing stuff. And we don't want to get too early. I know that 2020 is gone and 2021 is here, and we expect and we anticipate better for ourselves, but we don't want to get too far ahead into the springtime quite yet. So, hey, let's pay attention to those funguses out there. Let's pay attention to that watering schedule and make sure we're out there doing that watering. Keep an eye on the fertilizer. Hold it back a little bit longer. We want to worry about that in April. And hey, also one other thing to keep in mind is as this time of the year approaches, we want to make sure that we're careful on those insects. This time of the year, starting here in the spring, we'll start seeing insects start popping up. We'll start seeing aphids and whiteflies and Japanese beetles and those kind of things starting to appear here in the next couple of months. So just kind of keep your eye out on those things in the landscape. We always talk about getting out into the landscape. This is a great time of the year to get out and to do some adventures in the landscape. Last year about this time, me and my boys, Caden and Noah, we went out to Sproul Bluff up in Thomaston, Georgia, and weren't able to get out and hike up and down the river, enjoy that opportunity, enjoy that time. Now is a great time of the year to be able to do that, but we don't have to get out there when it's really hot. We don't have to get out there when it's 100 degrees, but you can get out there and enjoy that great time with your family. Great time to go fishing. The crappie are about to start running. It'll be a great time to wet a hook and try that out. Hope you enjoy these couple simple tips. By the way, this is Noah. Noah dropped in on us on the video, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time on Tuesday Tip.